Riu kambuni ya Royal Media Services, the entire fraternity, all the Inoro na Citizen TV, the entire Royal Media nĩ matigwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno thutha wa ũmwe wao gũkorwo akĩhurũka, and this was after a case of food poisoning that was reported by the company Royal Media Services. Nĩ marakorirwo magĩtũngana na kĩũndũ gĩa kĩeha kũrĩa the team that was working during the Christmas shift, andũ arĩa mararĩ wĩra mũthenya wa Christmas, they suffered a case of food poisoning, na Royal Media magĩtarĩria maugĩte atĩ they had contracted a catering firm to bring food kuri arĩa marakĩrĩ wĩra mũthenya ũcio wa Christmas, na sadly it turned out to be a case of food poisoning. Na harĩ among aya mararĩ wĩra nĩ Hellen Muthoni, Francis Gachuri na nginya Muturi wa Muiru, just to mention a few arĩa marakĩrĩ wĩra na arĩa makĩyumĩrĩtie kuga atĩ o nĩ ega, they are okay, they are not in hospital but they are okay. But sadly one person passed away. Na Hellen Muthoni nĩakorwo akĩyumĩria na kũrekereria statement after Royal Media announced the passing of one of their staff members, na matinakorwo makiuga rĩtwa rĩake nũ, ũndũ ũrĩa wakorwo ũgĩtiga andũ na kĩeha na kĩmako mũno tondũ ma describe tu ũrĩa mũndũ ũcio akĩrĩ mĩaka yake, na kũringana na ũrĩa mafans makĩigua magĩkorwo magĩciria hihi could it be Hellen Muthoni, na magĩkorwo makĩhũrĩra Hellen Muthoni na kũmwetha mũno agĩkorwo agĩtheria ndeto ici, na true to that she has come out na gũkorwo agĩtheria ndeto ici akiuga aca tike, she is okay, na oho kuga nginya Francis Gachuri onake he is okay, na ona nginya Muturi wa Muiru onake he is okay. Na this is what Hellen Muthoni has shared. Akiuga, thank you so much for all the calls and messages. I am fine. So is Muturi wa Muiru and Francis Gachuri. I know you asked because on Sunday you saw me on FB Live together with these two friends while eating. Condolences to the family that lost their loved one. Hellen Muthoni akiuga nĩ makenia arĩa mang ana marakĩrĩte irio icio me hamwe na Muturi wa Muiru na Francis Gachuri, but she says she is okay. Na ona nginya Francis Gachuri onake nĩakorwo akĩyumĩria na kuga onake he is okay. Akiuga personal statement, thank you for all your calls, text and kind concern. I am well. Condolences to the family of our departed colleague. Best wishes and quick recovery to our colleagues who are recuperating. The food poisoning situation is being handled professionally and with utmost care. It is well. Thank you. God bless you all. Nayo Royal Media kugerera ceceni ciayo Inoro FM, Inoro TV, Citizen nĩyakorwo onayo ĩkĩrekereria statement with regards to this food poisoning case, na kuga the Royal Media Services is saddened to confirm a serious case of food poisoning that affected a significant number of staff working over the Christmas shift. In keeping with holiday period working arrangements, the RMS engaged a private food catering company to provide meals for staff working during the Christmas shift on Boxing Day, December 26, 2022. Some of the staff complained of severe stomach pains after consuming meals served within the premises of the company. We are deeply shocked and saddened to inform the public that one staff member has unfortunately succumbed to the illness attributed to the suspected food poisoning. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family of our deceased staff member during this difficult time. Several staffers have also been hospitalized for the suspected poisoning. RMS is providing all the necessary support to the affected staff, and suspected food poisoning incident is currently under investigation. Marũa maya makĩgerera kũrĩ Wachira Waruru, who is the group managing director. Royal Media confirm ati yes, it was a serious case of food poisoning, na mũndũ ũmwe nĩarekorirwo akĩhurũka. They have lost one staff member wa Royal Media Services. Matinagĩkorwo magĩtaũra makĩria whether nĩ wa Citizen TV, Citizen kana whichever nĩ wa Inoro kana Citizen, no nĩ makiuga they lost one person to the food poisoning, na sadly kũrĩ onao bado makĩrĩ o thibitarĩ makĩthiĩ na mbere kwamũkĩra ũrigiti. Our deepest condolences kũrĩ family ya the bereaved na kũrĩ the entire Royal Media Services fraternity. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.